I love electric tea kettles. This is the Puco MC electric tea kettle with keep warm mode. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could check it out and show it to you. But all opinion is going to be my own. And I'm going to take this downstairs and demo it. But let me give you a couple of the features. First of all, we got a 1.8 liter glass tea kettle here. I kind of like this. Very sharp looking. Got some stainless steel going on here, it looks like. Got a big opening here. If we open this up, I can get my whole hand inside of there if I needed to clean that. And stainless on the bottom. This thing is really sharp. We got a base on here, and when it's on the base, it'll completely spin around. Power button on the front, power button on the top, which I'll go over that in a little bit. But I want to show you the base itself. Obviously the pot can only be used with this base. We have a 27-inch cord on here, 26, 27 inches around there. And it's got a little slot in here that you can put the cord through so you can lay it flat on there. And if I wanted to shorten this cable, I can actually go around here one time, I think. We can shorten this to 14 inches if you wanted to and still have it lay flat on there. That's a cool feature. This is a 1,000-watt unit that runs on your normal 120-volt household electricity. How easy is that? Pretty easy. So you press the on button here when it's just in boil mode, and when it's done boiling, it will just shut itself off. That's mode 1 on this, which is called boil mode. And you can see it in comparison to my other electric tea kettle. There you go. So that's boil mode. It's shut off. So with this button on the out position, you can see the little blue light lit up. It tells me that it's on keep warm mode. And what keep warm mode will do exactly that. It'll keep it at a certain temperature after it's done boiling in its original cycle until we shut it off. And the button's on right here, so when this gets below a certain temperature, it'll start to boil again and bring it back up to the temperature where we want it for our hot drink. I'm going to take it off of keep warm mode by pressing this in. So look how awesome that looks with the lights out. So now it's in boil mode. So it'll boil until it's done boiling. Then it'll shut itself off. It's like having an aquarium, but it's a teapot. There it is. Shut itself down. Pours nice. Not too much, not too little. You're done drinking your coffee for the morning and afternoon. Whenever you just hit the off button here and it shuts it off. Easy as that. Something like this obviously would be great for tea because it's a teapot, obviously. Great for soups, hot chocolate, instant coffee. For me, it's going to be great with the keep warm mode. I can fill this up in the morning, keep it warm, and have my morning coffee, and I'm good to go. If you're looking for a good, nice-looking electric tea kettle to check out, check this one out by Puco MC. Pretty nice. Check it out.